Today I want to share a tip you might not know using Kupelet's personalization in memory. I'm sure it's happened to you that when you use Kupelet, you sometimes have to re-enter all your info, like what projects you're on, your priorities, or how you want it to respond. It's as simple as going to your Kupilot settings, whether you have a license or not, and choosing the two options available to you. One is custom instructions, where you explain to Kupilot how you want it to respond to you. For that, here's a tip. First, ask it to interview you in the chat, to ask you a series of questions so it gets to know your communication style. And with all that information, you go to the custom instructions and paste it in. And the other one is memory. When you need Kupilot to remember something, for example, it could be personal things like what projects you're working on, what your goals are, or things that are assigned to you, like the maximum commercial discount you can give your customers if you're in sales. You simply tell it, remember that and the information, and you'll see the memory feature activate. A memory that you can manage, delete, and review. So it's exactly how you want Kupilot to respond, and the information that will best help you provide context to the conversation.